Hi guys, it's Michelle. So I'm cleaning and my baby is sleeping. Look at that. Then I already get my parcel. So I mute my mic here. So I just wanted to do record because if I open my camera, it didn't record my voice. But if I do recording, so it record my voice. So this one is from my baby. He ordered it while I'm in the clinic when I took my teeth here. So yeah, let's open it. If my baby ordered it. Oh my god. Oh shit, this is all. I'm not done cleaning, bro. Ooh, it's so tiny pala, so I can brought it on my events, any event. Hey, I have a solar now, so I can do charge my phone even if I don't have a power bank. And this one is, I know you confused why it's two because the one is for me and the one is for Yana. He say because he likes it. Look at that. You know what causes this is almost 400 because it's 380 plus something. So it almost ooh until 5. So it isn't low, but so I can order it and you can fold like this. Eh. And the second color is black too. I think the seller opened it because it's open it. And the second one, maybe the seller already tried it before he or she sent it. So this one, oh, it isn't low battery. It's already charged. A so yeah, they have. Oh, it's good. You can do. It has a lace and the charger, and this one is too. And this one have a holder or on the bag. I think this one is too. So yeah, baby, I have your first order na. He ordered shoes too, and I didn't expect that because we just only talk about that, but I didn't expect he order it right away while we're talking. So yun lang. Bye! Tapos na naman ang ating video. Before you leave this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell button para ma-notification sa mga bago updates sa mga videos ko. So don't forget to like, share, and comment. Stay positive, stay good vibes. Always God bless to all of you and never give up. Bye!